Hey guys, welcome back. In this lecture, let us talk about some important stuff. So now we will be start playing with packages. Also, the second thing is we will be start something related to face recognition or how to play with images. So this is going to be a fun lecture. Let us get started. So in this lecture, let us talk about opencv. So opencv is an open source library and it mainly deal with computer vision. You see that CV, it's an open source computer vision library. It was basically released for C++ in the year of 2000 and then it regularly get updated. We will be using opencv Python, which is a wrapper of original opencv that was written in C++. One of the best thing is they give regular updates. I will recommend you to do a basic Google search and read about opencv. It's a fun library and also an interesting topic to read. Now let us jump back to our command line and Atom. So here we will be performing a simple task for face recognition. In the previous lecture I showed you a simple demo while understanding our pip. In this lecture we will be performing that. The objective of this program is to detect faces. So we will be trying to detect faces on particular images. I have downloaded 4 sample images. You can try to use them from the resource section. So this is Elon Musk and the second one is also Elon. The third one is Mark Zuckerberg and the fourth one is also Mark. Let me close these and get back to my script. Now before doing anything, we need to keep 3 points in mind while performing any computer vision program. So the first thing is you need to match your Python version as well as the library or the package which you are using. So for this example, I would be using library called opencv Python, which is the latest version with Python 3.7. So let me install that. Along with opencv, our second requirement is NumPy, which is also a package and library, and that is really important to deal with arrays. It would be installed automatically while installing our opencv Python. Now let me check my opencv version. I can actually see here, but let me do show. Here you can see my opencv version is 3.4.4.19. And if you want to install a specific version of anything, you just need to use equals to and then define the version name. Things looks fine. We have done our first step, that is to install. The second thing I want to talk about is we need to download a har cascade file. So har cascade files are basically a classifier that can store all the information for the object that we are going to detect. So in this example, we are going to detect a face. So there are several classifiers, there are several arrays, there are several code modules that need to be checked. And that is contained in our classifier called har cascade classifier. So I would be adding that in the resource. So this particular har cascade file is only for our face detection. If you have some eye detection, there would be some separate classifier. If you want to detect something else, there would be different classifiers. So if I open this one, so this is somewhat the file looks like. It's quite long and it contains a lot of code. So I would not mess with this. It is an XML file and it is basically only for our face detection. Don't forget to download that file.